Hello mga ka-Phil Construct! Nandito tayo ngayon sa booth ng Weichai Philippines partnered by the Legacy Trucks and Tractor C. And right behind me is our reliable generator sets ready to power up anytime, anywhere. Ang gensets namin ay tahimik, fuel efficient, and easy to maintain. Perfect for businesses na kailangan ng stable power like construction sites, hospitals, data centers, kahit na remote areas pa yan. Our generator sets varies from smallest capacity, medium capacity, up to 5,250 kVA. Of course, kasama din dyan ang ating expert support and genuine parts para sure na reliable ang performance. Kaya kung gusto nyo makita in action, visit our booth and talk to our team. Dito sa Weichai Philippines, we are powering possibilities anytime, anywhere.